And here we go, guys. I have finally received the belt, and notice this one is a genuine Honda. I got it from Partzilla, and then I have a Bolt. You know, the Chinese company I bought it from, I believe it was like 20 something dollars. They did refund me. I sent them images of this and they did refund me, which is nice, but you know, that could have been a really big accident. It could have been a car behind me. Okay, first thing we got to do is clean all of this up. This is the remaining belt. Look at this. It just became powder. I don't know if you've ever had this happen to you guys, so if you have, post in the comments below. I have never had a belt snap on me. And not only snap, but break into a fine crushed powder. Yeah, it's pretty incredible how it just ended up being. I'm glad that this is intact. And now we're gonna remove this. This is what I use for my impact wrench. I have air impact wrenches, and this tends to work out really well unless it's a seriously tight bolt. So this is reversed and this one's tightened. Hopefully this is going to work. You just gotta, yeah, and it's out there. So it did work. Just remove that. Put it aside and just remove. I was afraid that it damaged these plates, but it doesn't seem, there's just some marks on it. Just get all of this. I mean, look at this, it's a powder. The belt became a powder. Which is, I mean, that's the metal. So if you guys recall, the metal was actually twisted inside of here, and it kind of got stuck. And you see, like, it's still pretty good. I mean, I can't tell if this is damaged or anything. It seems to be fine. So I got the rollers. I'm going to put them back in there. And these are much nicer. Stock is really good. I recommend stock. If you want to have a bike that's fun, the stock is the way to go. So make sure you hold it together when you put it in here. Put the belt on here first, kind of slide it, push the spring out, and then slide it back on there. And we're going to fit it onto here. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to put it here and put weight on this using my knee, and then I'm going to twist it. Now remove this and hold it right here. Don't let go of the belt and take it to the bike. With this on here, still holding on to the belt, you're going to slide it right in here like this, and now it's this. Still hanging on to the belt. I'm going to put the plate right here. This is the other half. And then I'm going to take my washer, then my nut, and for right now, right there are the remains of the belt. You can see not much remains, and the rest is on the stand there. That's it. That is the belt. I don't have any chunks that are big enough or anything. There's a wire there. The belt I just put on, I put it on at 21,000 miles. 21,000 miles on this new belt. So hopefully, I don't know how long it's going to last, but it is a good quality one. Honda, genuine part, and you do pay for it. but it seems to be really smooth. And with the new rollers that I put on, the 16 grams, it's really good. Yeah, this bike is a breeze to ride. You know, out of my garage, this thing and the Goldwing are my favorite. And I like them for the same reason. It's like they're just so smooth. Yeah, I'm disappointed in that belt that I got, but I paid $25, $24 for it. And the genuine belt is $60. So 3 times more expensive. Hopefully it's going to last. I think these belts do last quite a bit. It would be nice if the PCX had a reset light for the oil and for the belt, but it doesn't. Look at that, I'm at 60 miles an hour, really smooth. I think that's what I like about this bike. It's like fully capable of hitting 60 miles an hour without any stress on it. And if you're wondering, like, I've had so many motorcycles, so many scooters, and I honestly think that this just kind of beats out many motorcycles. Ooh, there's a dead animal somewhere. Whew. The flexibility of this scooter is just mind-numbing. It's just really amazing. And it's so easy to work on. Everything about this thing is just so good. Some people have no brain in their skull. Belt put on, very, very happy about it. Now I'm just gonna do like a long ride on it. Do some food deliveries. I haven't done one of those videos in a while, so stay tuned to that. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Support your fellow YouTubers, the small creators out there. Small motovlog creators, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.